Today we are learning I Just Might by Bruno Mars. This dance is so smooth and it's going viral everywhere, okay? So by the end of this video, I promise you will have it. I'm going to divide it up into 3 easy sections, and I'm also going to mirror this video. My left is your left and my right is your right, all right? Let's get to section number 1. We're going to start off with the famous walk he does in the music video. Now, I'm going to show you the mechanics basic first before we add the sauce onto it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get this motion here. You're just going to walk right in front first. You're going to go 1, 2, double on the right, back 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, that's going to be a full 8 count. We're just going to go 1, 2, double 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, once you have those mechanics, you feel the right hand is going with the right leg, you're doing the right mechanics, we can add the sauce. The sauce comes from this little flick now. Almost looks like a little pimp walk. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and flick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice when I go on that 8, my hands flick, 8. And this is going to bring my hands in front of my face. All right, one more time. Now this walk, it feels like a lazy, woo, back it up, woo, cat. And you want to just feel like you're just doing this little bounce in your body as you're walking. Yes? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to keep this bounce, and my hands are going to open up in front of my face like this. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6. Yes? He does this ooh, on this little moment there, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, yes you did. Ooh, on this ooh now, it's gonna be on the 7 and the and count, we're gonna go off our body, pushing towards our left leg to go ooh, just like something hit us, ooh. And we continue the walk again, all right? So let's do that one more time. So we go from here, the 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and continue the walk. 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Now instead of putting our hands in front of us, we point to ourselves. 1, 2, 3, drop 4, look back 5, 6.7, 8. Yes, yes, yes. One more time. So we're going 1, 2, 3, drop 4, look back 5, 6.7, drop 8. All right, and that's going to be the end of the first section. Let's do the first section straight through. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, look 5, 6, drop 7, 8. Yeah? All right, that's section 1. Section 2 now, we're going to be going forward. This is going to be our step here. We're going to be stepping forward, left, right, left, right. If you see me from the side, I'm just going like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just the count of 8, okay? One more time. 5, 6 to the front. When we take that first count, you're going to open your hands back, bring them up. Then you're going to make a fist with your left hand. Your right hand goes to your chest. Bring it up. Then both hands go to your chest. Bring it up. And then bring that fist back. Bring it up. What did I just do? One more time. So with the steps, we're going hands 1, 2, fist 3, 4, chest 5, 6, fist 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta have the facial expressions with it. You gotta feel it, just like Bruno, all right? Now, after we go here, this is where we go into the moo, ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't sing, but this part you gotta recognize how he's saying it to stay on top of the rhythm. So, from here, the hands are gonna come up, and I'm kicking my left leg out too, to go 1. And I'm leaning it into my left hip here. Yes, again. So we finished here, 8, we go 1, 2, he slightly moves, 3, 4, and 5. Lean, 6, a little lean. Up, 7, strum the guitar, and an 8. What just happened? One more time. So we said from here, we finish our 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, and an 8. Yes? 6, 7, and an 8. So you want to have this little lean to come up. You see also in the music video, as a guitarist are like this, and they come up. He just goes lean, lean, on that beat. All right? One more time. So we're going to go straight from here, from our walk forward. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, chest, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and an 8. Now notice when I'm doing the move, ooh, 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 my head kind of like looks to the direction that I'm swaying, and then I come up, hit, nice. Let's put section 1 and 2 together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, 7, flick. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but look here, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and an 8. Nice. Now we go to our last section, okay? Now this one, you're going to have this little bounce here. You're going to go bounce, popping that left knee, and kind of pushing yourself back into your right. It goes bounce, bounce, and your hands are going to be down here. And then you have a little in-between little flick. So it goes 1, 2, and a 3, 4. Watch that again. I go 1, 2, and a 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. I go bounce, bounce, and a 3, 4. Then from here, my body's gonna go. And a 5, and a 6, and a 7. So it's gonna go like a down, and I'm doing right, left, right, left, right, left. And my hands are just going down and a up and a stop. He looks like he's just vibing with it, like he's just doing his thing with it. So I want you to just have your own fun with that moment too. So this one is here. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7. Just make sure you stop on that 7. When you stop on that 7, your left hand is by like your hip area, just resting here, or like between like your obliques and your chest, yes? And then the right hand goes down to the side. And then from here, you're gonna bring this hand up to point, boom. But when you bring your hand down, make sure the palm is facing the front of your body, yes? If I turn towards you, my palm is open to you, yes? I point, and I'm going up on my toes and raising my shoulders like, ooh, yes? And so it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, yes? One more time. Connecting that from here. So we just finished, we start our new section, we bounce. 1, 2, flick, and a 3, 4, doubles, and a 5, and a 6, stop, 7, hold, 8, this is 1, 2, 3, yes? 1, 2, 3. You hold that 8, you bring your hand up on 1, 2, 3. And when you go up, bring your shoulders up with you too. It's like, ooh, yes? All right? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6. Hold 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. From here, you see his legs are cut off, but it looks like he has like another motion. So I do that, but he can also be just doing another step. But it looks like he's going boom, step, point. So we said, one more time, from the 2, 3, and 4 step, 5.6, 7. This is gonna go 8. You're pointing, holding the microphone like his clone. Other side, and this is the DJ. Then you release off of it. 1, 2 with a nice little groove. And that's where I stop the dance, okay? Because that's where the part where most people are doing the trend from, okay? Let's do it one more time, but we're gonna add everything from section 1, 2, and 3 together, nice and slow, to make sure you have it, okay? We'll do the count slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, yes you did, 6, 7, ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, drop 4, look back, 5, 6, look here, 8, go ha, 2, this is section 2 now, 1, 2, fist, 3, 4, 5, 6, fist, 7, 8, and move, 2, 3, ooh, 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 6, 7, and a 8, last section, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, land, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Yes? Yo, that's the full dance, all right? Let's do it straight through, no stopping, and then we're gonna try with the music. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, fist, 4, 5, 6, fist, 7, 8, and a move, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Yes? All right. Now, you got the dance. Try out the music over here, or YouTube thinks you'll like this video next. All right. Thank you guys for being here, and see you in the next one. Peace. Oh.